Yeah, I wanted to show you how to put up a wire T-post clip. That's got a couple of bends in it. The correct way, they say for keeping the wire from being pulled down is to hold the hook in the up position rather than the down position. It's easier to hook it this way and then go around, but you'll see that it's a lot stronger if you do it. And there's a few other tools that people use to tighten these. I personally just use fence pliers. So hook underneath, come around the back side of the T-post. So now your wire is between the nubs. Take your pliers with the hook in, grab it there, twist over, so it's nice and flat, and then I like to just put a little part twist on that, and now we're secure. Once again, instead of putting these in the down position like this, I like to keep them in the up so that you can't push the clip off the wire. So it's going to be like that. Come around the back. You can hook this if you want. That works, but I kind of like to have it lay a little flatter myself. And then I always throw just a little crimp on that. How's that?